Now, Maria, we just saw the biggest Wall Street wipeout since 2020.
Yeah, Aaron, not a good day for your retirement account. President Trump's plan to tax all imports is rattling markets worldwide. The closing bell rang just about an hour ago, and it couldn't come soon enough. You can see the Dow started in the red at the beginning of the day and then closed the day down 4%, or about 1,700 points. Some of Minnesota's largest companies saw an even bigger sell-off than the Dow. A brutal day for Best Buy. I mean, their business relies on imported electronics. They lost a whopping 18%. Target also sells you stuff made from other countries. Their stocks shed 11% today. Traders singing the same tune about 3M. They rely on imports to make their products. The St. Paul company down 5% today. But within just the past 90 minutes, President Trump held steady on his tariff plan and said it will turn around.
The markets are going to boom, the stock is going to boom, the country is going to boom, and the rest of the world wants to see, is there any way they can make a deal? They've taken advantage of us for many, many years. For many years, we've been at the wrong side of the ball, and I'll tell you what, I think it's going to be unbelievable.
Now, this news from Wall Street might have you nervous about your 401k. In our team coverage this afternoon, Kirsten Mitchell speaks with a financial expert on what you should and should not do.
We talked to a lot of people in downtown Minneapolis who say they are very concerned about the economy and their retirement funds. John DeMoss, a senior wealth advisor with Mission Health, says for most investors, it's best to hang tight, not make any drastic moves, and take a break from checking your 401k. Trying to buy or sell stocks to capture gains and avoid losses is almost impossible and typically leads to even more losses, according to Charles Schwab research. DeMoss says younger people in their 20s and 30s have time on their side and can invest more aggressively. But people nearing retirement may want to consider a few things.
You shouldn't necessarily have to be making adjustments. Maybe you lean into the turns and you rebalance your portfolio a little bit. Or if it's really scaring you, maybe you adjust the risk level down a tad. But you really should consult a professional. It doesn't have to be so black and white or binary where I'm either all in or I'm all out.
DeMoss says it's very important not to make emotional decisions when they see sudden changes in the stock market. Reporting in the newsroom, Kirsten Mitchell, WCCO News.